I was deciding what school to go to, it was the hardest decision of my life that I ever had to face.
When I was looking at schools, I looked for the most opportunity for me to grow as a person.
The main thing I heard was that there were so many different things you could do besides the academic part.
Why did I choose Flatbush? It's a good question.
My name is Lydia Izan. Every day when I walk into Flatbush, and it's always so bright, even on the rainiest days, everyone's just so happy to be there.
Hi, my name is Yeshivah. I'm excited to come to class every day because I have teachers that are as excited to see me, and it leaves me with a sense of pride of the work that I accomplish every day.
Whenever I was having trouble in any subject, really, all the teachers were there to help. And they go above and beyond, whether it's during breakfast, lunch, during their own free time.
Being in a class with teachers that are passionate about my success, they care about me, they're invested in how I'm doing. I just love the energy that they bring into every class, and it makes me excited to come to school every day.
I'm Nicole Moravsky. Something about Flatbush that's really great is that they have a ton of resources. If you want to do a certain passion, Flatbush is the best school for personal growth. The AP classes are my favorite ones. They're the most challenging. In general, I've never felt so much support and ready to take on college material.
Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now.
I've never worked or seen an institution where all the teachers, Judaic and secular, have the same goal, and that's for our children to grow spiritually.
My name is Rebecca Azar. My younger years in elementary school, I did well on my Humash test, my Talmud test, but I didn't have a passion for it. Coming into high school freshman year, I had this really amazing teacher who was really so open to asking questions and getting involved in the class, not just learning it so you can write the right answer on the test, you're learning it so you know just part of being a Jew and who you are.
We really work hard inspiring our students to commit to Torah and mitzvot, and we want them to see learning and praying and observance as developing one's personal communal relationship with Hashem.
I'm Ronnie Mizrahi, and learning Torah gives me inspiration to be a moral person, lead a fulfilling life, improve others in ways that you improve yourself. It's certainly developed over the years, my relationship with God.
When you're teaching students, we need to be able to address those off-the-topic issues, be able to find the messages which are relevant to each one's life within the texts of the Gemara, the Humash. The ability for a teacher to transmit a way of life is what, in my mind, makes teaching something which is so difficult to do, but really so rewarding.
I feel really good about myself when I learn Torah. I feel I've grown to be stronger, and I've grown to stand up for myself more, to be respectful, to be kind. You feel a connection. Being a Jew, you want to know your history and what happened to your people. And recently I applied to the Witness Theater program. The main reason I did it is so I could get closer to Hashem and also just be a better Jew.
Hi, my name is Mars Medeb.
Hi, I'm Mark Anitar, Alan Shama.
We have so many different clubs, teams, wide variety of ways students can reach their potentials, develop their talents, pursue their interests. We want to find students' passions, nurture that, guide them along the way.
Pathfinders is a department that's dedicated to helping students find and discover their passions, trying to give them a direct path to their interests that they can find a career in the future.
I came in really not knowing what I would do. It helped me find out a career path that I could take. I think I want to pursue something in computer engineering.
In Flatbush, there's 80 extracurricular activities and sports teams. You see them really helping people make relationships, and they give you an opportunity to discover yourself.
One of the main things about these extracurriculars is how we're able to work with other people, figure out how to maybe lead a group or work within a group. Those skills are really essential in the future.
Our academics, our extracurriculars, our investment in Torah learning, all of this comes together to create a sense of family and identity.
My name is Linda Shama. There are so many reasons why I chose Flatbush. I saw so many extracurricular activities that interest me. And I also felt very welcomed, and I felt like this was just the place for me, and I could spend the next 4 years here, grow into an amazing person.
My name's Eli Esses. I went to a very small school for elementary school. I knew every single person, every teacher I had since kindergarten. I could recognize, I could say hey to them, they remember my name. I wasn't expecting to go into high school. I was going to a bigger school. I didn't think it was going to be the same, but it was here. Everybody knows who you are.
Our goal is to show them you can do this. You are fantastic. You have gifts that God gave you that you've never tapped. And when they get that confidence and they learn to love themselves, then they easily love others.
My teachers, that they've taught me how to have strong morals and values, being a good friend and knowing how to respect elders, and really life skills that I've learned from my teachers, and we got so close. We developed a very strong bond, and now we're literally like a family.
You should come to Flatbush because anything you want to do, you have this hobby, you have this thing you want to grow in, Flatbush is going to give you skills, they're going to give you opportunities, they're going to give you programs, all suited to help you become the best person you can be.
You would come to Flatbush to step out of your comfort zone and try something new, to be challenged, to meet new people, to learn, and to grow as a person.
For us, all of this is a story of what it means to live a full Jewish life, to empower our graduates when they leave this building so that they could really impact their communities and the world at large.
Future.